Okay, here I am. It is August 29th still. It's about 11:30. It's still raining, and water's encroaching a little bit more. See, it's just about up to the swing set. And this is obviously from our back steps. And wow, pretty crazy. I'll take a quick peek back there, but I also want to get over to the Raritan Inn and see over the bridge there and see what's happening. Poor cows. Where are they? They're somewhere. There's our backyard, totally underwater. Katie's garden, washing away. We came out yesterday and picked the final tomatoes. They may still be okay. Look at this. Look how high up on the barn that is. That's the back far corner of the barn. Just a slight corner was in the 200-year floodplain, and this is far past that. Our burning bin. So burning bin's about 5 feet tall. So you can see there's only about less than a foot exposed. That's 4 feet of water out there. Unbelievable. There's a garden tool sticking out of the river. So this is this comes down the mountain and takes a turn and is a small tributary to the river, and now it's like a gigantic river. Unbelievable. And there's the river that's overextended its bounds. Alright, let's go around the other side. And cars backing up, cars trying to cross the river in vain. It's too bright to see that it's just about coming in the garage, not quite. Wow. Yep, it's higher than it was before. Okay, let's keep moving. Now, our driveway is, I've never seen this before. This is crazy. It's the river actually, if you can see the bridge there, just there's a slight gap between the bottom of the bridge and the top of the water, but it was up another 6 inches. You couldn't see that gap before it came on the driveway. So it's interesting that the river kind of pushed on our driveway, and it's kind of likes that course. I'm not too thrilled about that one. Wow, spring house window completely covered. Never ever happened before. I've said that before, right? I can stop saying that. We've never seen this before. This is unbelievable. And it's pouring rain. It's supposed to be over at 11 o'clock. It's 11:30. It ain't over. See the wind on the trees. Now the rain's a little horizontal, but it's not that great of a wind. Coming up. The roads are closed there. I had to drive my car up there just in case it really encroached. Gosh. Well, our trees are getting watered. They shouldn't complain too much. See what Shane's is looking like. Woo-wee! The top of his outdoor hearth is up about 4 or 5 feet. This river, that's unbelievable. You can't even see our bank. It's crazy. The tree sticking out is at the edge of the bank. You can't see the bridge either. This is unbelievable. How's it going? Look at this. Alright, that is normally all grass. And can you see the top? Let's see if I can zoom in. The top of the hood of the car, right there. How do I zoom in? Wow, it is over the road, all the way down there as far as you can see. Holy smokes. This is insane. Look at that. Woo-wee. Look at the guardrail. This is a lake as far as you can see. Oh, there's another car. Holy cannoli. Alright, that's the end of the video show. I think I can stop here.